Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Do you want to make your notes, journals or calligraphy look super fun and pretty without needing advanced drawing skills? Then this video is just for you. Today in this video, I'm going to show you some easy doodle ideas like hearts, alphabets, arrows and little embellishments. Trust me, they're super simple, super cute and absolutely perfect for beginners. So are you ready? Let's doodle together. First up, doodle alphabets. Start by writing big block letters like A, B, C. Now the magic happens when you decorate them. Add lines inside, make polka dots, draw swirls around them, or turn them into bubble letters. You can even add little highlights with a white gel pen if you have one. Here I am using my Artline fine liner pen for these doodles. Now imagine writing your friend's name in decorated bubble letters. It looks like instant party vibes on paper. These are perfect for journal titles, planners, or even handmade cards. See how easy it is. And the best part is, doodles don't need to be perfect. They're supposed to be fun, light, and creative. The more you practice, the more confident you'll feel. There you go. You got perfect idea for doodle alphabets. Now next up are embellishments. These are tiny decorations that make empty spaces look beautiful. Try drawing small swirls, twinkling stars, tiny leaves, or curly vines. You can even mix them around words to make your writing stand out. Now here's the pro tip. When you feel your page looks too empty, just add a few little embellishments. It instantly looks complete and aesthetic. Now, do you love adding cute little paper notes to your journals, planners or scrapbooks? I'll show you super easy handmade paper note doodle ideas that look like mini sticky notes, memo pads and torn paper pieces. They're perfect for writing reminders, to-do lists, or highlighting your favorite quotes. These are in the form of simple sticky notes, torn paper notes, pinned notes, or layered notes, etc. Quick tip: add tiny doodles on top of the note, like stars, arrows, or hearts, to make it extra aesthetic. Now let's move towards doodle hearts. Everyone loves hearts, right? Start with a basic heart shape. Don't worry if it's not perfectly balanced. Sometimes the imperfect ones look the cutest. Now let's decorate it. Fill it with dots, add little stripes, or shade one half. Want to make it more fun? Try adding an arrow through the heart, or draw a bunch of mini hearts around your text for a playful border. Pro tip: use two different pen colors like pink and black or red and gold. It instantly makes the hearts pop off the page. Okay, now let's try arrows. Start simple, just a line with a triangle at the end. Easy, right? Now let's add style. Make the line wavy for a fun look. Add double arrows for emphasis or put a tiny heart at the back. You can even turn the arrow into a leafy vine arrow. Super aesthetic for journals.
Oops, my cat entered.
Anyways, quick tip, arrows are amazing for pointing out important notes, making your page not only pretty but also super organized. See how easy that was. And the best part is, doodles don't need to be perfect, they are supposed to be fun, light, and creative. The more you practice, the more confident you'll feel. So don't wait, pick your pen and start adding these tiny doodles to your notes and journals today. Believe me, your pages will start looking magical in no time. If you enjoyed these easy doodle ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Comment below, are you from team hearts, alphabets, arrows, or embellishments? I would love to know which doodle you will try first. Let's keep practicing together and make our pages beautiful. See you all in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thanks for watching, you guys.